Can you tell me what is more important than motivation? So most important is consistency. Okay, the most important is consistency. Consistency is what will take you to the next level. And what is the meaning of consistency? Consistency means that we will deliver some output. Okay, so we will deliver some output even when we don't want to. Right? So even when we don't feel like giving anything out, maybe we feel like relaxing, maybe we feel like taking an off. Yes, at that time when you push yourself, that is where your road actually takes a new turn. Yes, so we have to be very, very consistent with our efforts. We have to ensure that, you are in it to win it. Okay. Because unless this consistency is there, your motivation levels will keep fluctuating, है ना? And once you ensure that you are giving this consistency, धीरे धीरे this converts into discipline. Yes, it becomes a habit. You get disciplined. You get into the loop of giving some output every single day. So start by pushing yourself that no, I will be consistent. I will give at least some hours every day. And this some hours can be as little as 3 hours, as little as 2 hours. Commit something. Okay. So you have to commit that no, whatever might be it, I have to give in some hours of study every single day. These hours will differ for students in different phases. It is okay. So you decide, you commit, and then the key is कि एक बार जो commit कर लिया, तो फिर अपने आप की भी नहीं सुननी है. Yes. So once you're committed, you're not going to take a step back. So if you say it's going to be 3 hours, it has to be 3 hours. If you say at one stretch I will study for 2 hours or 2.5 and not get up, then you will not get up. So commit. Develop the consistency. It will convert into discipline. Okay. You will convert it itself into discipline. And this is where, you move towards success. Right. It's very, very essential. Even if, you are very, very bright, even if you are very intelligent, there is no shortcut to these two things. You have to be consistent in your efforts. You have to have the discipline so that you stick to your road for success. Yes. Or please understand कि whenever you feel कि नहीं हो रहा है, yes, and I'm sure ऐसे time जरूर आता होगा, when you feel कि अब और नहीं हो रहा है, maybe आज और नहीं पढ़ना है, या why should I study today when others are enjoying? Then what should you think? Always, whenever there is a negative thought, you have to learn to convert it into a positive thought. For example, the best way to think here is, why did I start? Okay. And where do I want to go? ये दो चीजें ना लाइफ में बहुत जरूरी हैं. Why did I start? And where do I want to reach? Yes. Whenever you are or your mind is clouded with a negative thought, how do you convert it into a positive one? Think about, why did I start? Yes. Why am I here where I am? Why? Because I wanted to seek something bigger. I wanted to touch lives. I want to have more impact. I just don't want to be somebody who was born and who died. Yes, और बीच का सब माइनस हो गया, है ना? So please remember that we are seeking for a bigger impact. We are seeking to touch more lives, and that is what you always have to remember. And then you always have to think of the next level that you want to come to. Okay, don't get accustomed to अच्छा ये है, ठीक है, अच्छा है. Yes. So don't tell yourself that this is good, this is comfortable, this is where I want to be. Okay. So comfort is a drug that you should not get addicted to. Move out of your comfort zone. Always give yourself next targets. Try and reach the next phase in your life, and you will never have to look back. You will always succeed. You will be happy. And very, very important, you know, आप लोगों को ऐसा लगता है that आपका mental health पढ़ने से बिगड़ता है. Yes, a lot of you think that, you know, studies is impairing your mental health, but believe me, it is the other way round. An idle mind, an idle body, an idle soul is what leads to ill mental health. Yes, so if you don't look up to anything in life, if you don't have anything to work on, that is where the mental health starts spiraling. So it's very important to engage our brains in something productive. Your brain is not here to sleep. It's here to work. It has so many sparks. Yes. So it's very essential that a part of your mental health is to feed your brain with good thoughts, is to feed your brain with positive energy, is to feed your brain with targets so that you have something to look up to. Yes. So believe me, we've been on the other side. Okay. And aisa lagta hai, we've seen elderly people also. I'm sure you've seen your parents also. Believe me, go and ask them what is most hurtful in life. It is to sit idle with all the comforts. Even if you have all comforts and you are told, okay, sit on the bed for whole 12 hours, believe me, that is where the mental health starts spiraling. So don't worry, you're on the right track, you're doing good. Just stay engaged, stay focused, and try and improve yourself bit by bit. You have immense potential. आपको खुद ही नहीं पता है कि how much potential you have. Yes? So give yourself that chance to shine as bright as you can so that we look up to you. Yes? We want to really look up to you. We want to say that this is someone who we have known and he or she is a great doctor. Yes? So give us that opportunity, and I'm sure that each one of you is full of amazing potential. So on that little note, yes, I'm going to say goodbye to all of you. Take care, revise, loads of love and blessings from my side. Take care everybody. Bye-bye.